Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope so you all are fine. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is Unit 5, Matter and Changes in its States. Now question is, what is matter? And what type of its states? And what type of changes occur in these states? Okay, let's see what is matter. Matter is anything that has mass and take up space. What is mass? Mass, in other words, mass is the amount of stuff in an object. Basically, mass is the amount of total particles present in an object. The whole universe is made up of matter. Examples of matter are table, chair, soap, stream, water and air. In this picture, you can see different types of matter. Now, what type of states of matter? Matter have basically three physical states. These are liquid, solid, gas. You can see solid, liquid and gas. Example of three states of matter are solid, liquid, gas. Solid have wood, kettle, stone, car. Liquid, river, coffee, glass, juice, etc. And gas have cylinder, gas pump, gas drum, fire. These are the example of different three states of matters. Something interesting, do you know? Plasma is considered as a fourth state of matter, which is similar to gas, in which a certain portion of the particles are ionized. Ionized means the process in which atom is positively or negatively charged by gaining or losing an electron. Now solid. Solid is one of the three fundamental states of matter. Fundamental means solid is basic state of matter. Unlike a liquid, the atoms in a solid are tightly bound to each other, either in a regular geometric lattice or irregular anamorphous solids such as common window glass. Regular geometric lattice means the particles in solid are arranged in a proper manner. Or irregular anamorphous means the particles are not arranged in a proper manner. In this diagram, you can see crystalline particles are arranged in a proper manner, but in an amorphous solid, the particles are not arranged in a proper manner. Okay, do you know? Lattice means crystalline solids which include metals and ordinary ice. Crystalline solid means the solid have a proper fine shape. The particles in solid are arranged in a very proper manner. You cannot walk through a solid wall due to the solid particles that are tightly packed together. Why the solid particles are tightly packed together? The reason for close packing is due to strong forces of attraction between the atoms of the solid. Also, due to the strong attractive forces, the atoms of the solid cannot move freely. There is no space or negligible space between their molecules. Solid particles have zero space. They are tightly packed with each other. Example of solid are chair, table, spoon. These are the example of solid: spoon, chair and table. Liquids. Liquid is nearly incompressible, not be able to compress fluid. Liquids cannot be compressed. It is the only state with a definite volume but no fixed shape. Definite volume means they have a proper volume but they have not fixed shape. A liquid is made up of tiny moving particles of matter held together by relatively weaker forces of attraction. In liquid particles, the forces of attraction is very weak. Water is by far the most common liquid on earth. This is the picture of liquid particles. They are not closely packed with each other. Liquids do not hold their shape at room temperature. There are little space between the particles of liquid. The particles move slightly all the time and slide over one another. Liquid molecules are held together by slightly weaker forces than solid. You cannot walk through a swimming pool. Why? If you try to walk over, you will fall down because water particles cannot hold your body weight. Liquid will flow if you pour it in container. It will take the shape of the container. Examples of liquid are oil, water, juice. Do you know? Water helps in generation of electricity. How? How water helps in generation of electricity? A fast flowing liquid such as waterfall has a lot of energy. When this water flow with the power, it can be used to turn wheels to drive machinery and even create electricity. Now gas. Gas do not hold their shape at room temperature. Gas particles are always in moving state. There is too much space between the particles of gases. Why there is so much space in particles of gases? Because the forces of attraction is very weak. The particles of gas move here and there easily. That is why gases are invisible and we can only feel their presence. This is the picture of gas in which you see the gas particles are very far away from each other. Gases also take up the shape of the container and can be compressed easily into smaller and smaller space. But liquid cannot be compressed, but gas is compressed easily into smaller space. This is because there are very weak forces of attraction between the molecule of the gas. When you blow air into the balloon, it fills the balloon in a round shape. Example of gases are atmosphere in the earth, bubbles in soda, fumes from volcanoes, helium in balloons. Okay, something interesting. Again, do you know? We are living in the sea of air gas. Always around us. Air is always around us. So air is the mixture of 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen, 1% argon, and has a small amount of other gases. Now this is a chart comparison between three states of matter through a model. We have three matters: solid, stone, liquid water, gas, fumes or fire. Now we see shape of solid. Shape of solid is fixed, liquid no fixed shape, gas no fixed shape. But volume, fixed volume of solid, liquid have fixed volume but gas have no fixed volume. Then density, solid have a dense, liquid have dense materials, particles, gas is not dense. Compressibility, solid cannot be compressed, liquid cannot be compressed, but gas can be compressed easily. Arrangement of particles in the solid are fixed, but in liquid are closely packed but not fixed, and in gas random and far apart. Example of solid is ice, liquid water, gas steam. Okay. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.